Rearrange. Board Question 2017. Rajshahi Board 2017-1. As a result, he studied under a great thinker Plato. 2. He also wrote books on biology, literature, economics and 3. Comparative politics. 4. Plato taught Aristotle according to his own way. 5. Aristotle was born in Greece. 5. His father wanted him to be a physician but he never cherished to be so. 6. Later on, Aristotle took the pen to write on topics suitable for human civilization. 7. He is called the father of biology because of his creativity. 8. Politics is one of his famous book which exposes fullest development of his wisdom. 9. He was the son of a royal physician. 10. He wanted to be a free thinker. Answer: Rearrange Dhaka and Barisal Board 2017-1, then he invited applications. 2. The applicants were asked to meet the Sultan one by one. 3. Long ago, there lived a sultan in a country. 4. Then he found the desired man. 5. He wanted to appoint an honest man as his tax collector. 6. A number of people applied for the job. 7. All the applicants blushed and refused except one. 8. So, he asked for the wise counselor's advice. 9. When they all arrived, the Sultan asked them to dance. 10. They came through a passage where gold coins were kept. Answer: 3 + 5 + 8 + 1 + 6 + 2 + 10 + 9 + 7 + 4. H.S.C. Board 2017. A. He asked him where God was. B. He praised him highly. C. Once a lad went to a famous teacher. D. The teacher thought highly of the boy. Understands. E. The lad replied that he would answer if he would tell where he is not. F. The boy devoted himself in earning knowledge. G. He begged to instruct him in the arts and sciences. H. He agreed to teach the lad. I. He had expressed his desire to acquire knowledge. J. The teacher wished to find out the ability of the boy. Answer: C + I + G + J + A + E + D + B + H + F. 1. As Baghahat is near the Bay of Bengal, the water is usually saline. 2. Khan Jahan Ali was a philanthropic man. 3. He, therefore, excavated many tanks to provide fresh water to the people. 4. He came to Baghahat to preach Islam and to promote the plight of common people. 5. He found Baghahat beset with many problems. 6. His memory will never be sunk into oblivion. 7. Thus he redressed the problem of drinking water. 8. The scarcity of drinking water is one of them. 9. The people of Baghahat remember him with great respect. 10. Gora Digi is one of them. Answer: 2 + 4 + 5 + 8 + 1 + 3 + 10 + 7 + 6 + 9. Chittagong Board 2017-1, he was one of the most renowned linguists of Bangladesh. 2. He died in 1969 and we remember his with respect. 3. He was second to none in Bengali language and literature. 4. Dr. Mohammad Shahidullah was born in 24 Porgona, West Bengal in 1885. 5. He joined Jessa Zilla School in 1910. 6. He passed the entrance and FA exam in 1904 and 1906. 7. He received some awards and contributed much to Bengali literature. 8. He passed ONS. and M.A. in 1910 and 1912. 9. He joined Dhaka University as a lecturer in Bengali in 1921. 10. He got his Ph.D. in 1928. Answer: 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 5 plus 9 plus 10 plus 7 plus 2. Sillet Board 2017. A. One prize is awarded in each field. B. The prize is instituted by a man who was the inventor of the science of destruction. C. Nobel Prize is the world's most important prize. D. He is Alfred Bernard Nobel. E. Though he is a citizen of Sweden, he was educated in Russia. F. Nobel Prizes are awarded everyone for outstanding achievements in the field of science, literature and for promoting world's peace. G. The prize is given to persons with most outstanding contribution. H. If there are more than one recipient of the prize in one field, the prize money is equally distributed amongst all the winners. I. Economics was added in the list in 1969 for the first time. J. He was born in Stockholm on 21 October 1833 and he died on 10 December 1896. Answer: 3 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4 plus 10 plus 5 plus 6 Dinajpur Board 2017. 1. Please let me go to my country. 2. An English boy was making a small boat. 3. I shall cross the sea and go to my country by this boat. 4. He made all arrangements to send him to his country. 5. Suddenly he noticed a wonderful thing. 6. Napoleon was charmed by the words of the small boy. 7. I haven't seen my mother for a long time. 8. The boy said, my country is on the other side of the sea. 9. One day Napoleon, the King of France, was walking along the seashore. 10. The boy was brought before him and he asked him what he would do with such a small boat. Answer: 9 plus 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 3 plus 1 plus 7 plus 6 plus 4 plus 10. Thanks for watching.